the two groups. Now, the group red stars and the yellow stars. Now, please come here. The yellow stars fit in this, and the red stars fit in this. Now, please. Go. Okay. Now, you both look at the screen. Now, what are you fit in this?
This is water.
This is a water. Okay. I ask the questions for you. What am I going to do? For example, I'm going to drink water. To drink water, yes, of course. For example, I ask the questions for you. What are you going to do in this weekend? In this weekend, for example. So, for example, I am going to visit my grandpa in this weekend. And in this weekend, what are you going to do? Now, please, Sandra.
I'm going to read book.
Okay. And anything else? Okay.
I'm going to go visit Atırau.
Good to visit or go, yes?
I'm going to visit my parents.
Parents. Grandparents. Okay. Anything else? Now, please.
I'm going to cook again.
I'm going to or I'm going to. I am going to cook cake. Okay. Or bake, yes?
I am going to watch TV today.
Not today. This weekend, yes? Okay. What today is not.
I'm going to go Atırau.
I'm going to Atırau. Okay. No? Is alright? No? Alright? For example, I'm going to. What are you going to do in this weekend?
I'm going to drink.
I'm going to drink a juice, maybe. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay, now let's start our new scene. I think you understand. Today we have a grammar lesson, yes? Today's unit creativity and the theme to be going to. Today, learning adjectives. Respond with limited flexibility at the sentence level to unexpected comments on an increasing range of general and curricular topics. Use the structure to be going to express intention and plan on a limited range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Write with the support factual descriptions at text level which describe people, places, and the object to visit and activities. Now, going to. Going to is not sentences. It's a special structure that we use to talk about the future, okay? When we are talk about future. The structure is going to. How we are make some sentences with going to. For example, subjects plus be, going to, and to infinitive, yes? So next, the verb is conjuncted. Look at this example. Now, this is the examples for you. For example, subject, it's I, he, she, it, you, we, yes? For example, Sanjar is the subject, and the be, and is, that is not, is a negative forms with going to, yes? That's some words. For example, I am going to buy a new car, yes? I'm going to buy a new car. It's a short form. How we use a short form? You know it. Yes? I'm going to go swimming. So next. Now open your copybooks. Write down today's date. Today is the 24th of January, and today is our new theme. Going. Grammar. To be going to. Now write down. open your books on page 99. And have you finished it? Okay, look at the screen. You see some worksheets. I give some cards for you. I will give some cards for you. What do? Look at these pictures. Yes, look at these pictures and make up the sentences. Okay, the next, make up the sentence be correctly using grammar to be, going to. Okay, have you understand me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's for you. You have 2 minutes. 2 or 1 minute. It's for you. Now write down. Right. It's one more. Okay. Have you finished it? Who wants to read?
I have finished.
You have finished it. Okay, now please.
She is going to call her friend Nancy.
Okay. I have finished.
We are going to spend our holidays in Spain.
Okay.
He is going to burn himself again.
Good. Now please.
I am going to jump now.
Yes.
It is going to write cats and dogs.
Good.
She is going to play and spin circle.
Okay. Now please. Bilal.
He is going to be for work again. She's going to go to the beach.
What? To the beach, yes? Are you ready? Okay, Harasat. That's all, Bilім?
He's going to hike.
What? She is.
She is going to hike.
What? She is going to a car accident, yes? Now please. This is your answers now. Checking up your answer. If you write,
Yes.
if you write, okay, if you write, we have 1 point, okay? For this answer, you have 1 point. The next task, you know, yes, Kahoot. This. Open the Kahoot. This is a work in group. Now this question, do the test correctly, and for one sentence we have 1 point. Now how we play? We are make some pin code, yes. Then write your group's name. Now, for example, yellow. You are. It's in English. Okay. Are you ready? Now let's start. The red answers
8.
8 points. Okay. The yellow group's answers 10 points. Good job. Now, okay, thank you very much. Now, have you finished it? Now, please give me your assessment list. It's curious. Okay. Now, it's time for reflections. If you understand, I understand everything and can make up a sentence with to be going to. You put, I will give some stickers for you. You put these stickers in the red box, okay? The next, if you don't understand, today is our lesson. I don't understand everything and cannot make up the sentence with to be going to. You put these stickers in black box, okay? Have you understand me?
Yes.
In these stickers, write your names, okay? And then write your name and you are right. If you understand, you are right. I understand. If you don't understand, you are right. I don't understand, okay? Now, today is our lessons. Are you interested for you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, home task. Today is our home task. We are in students' book, exercise 5 on page 99. Now the lesson is over. Goodbye, people.
Goodbye.